Morning, guys. It is Monday, October 27th, 2025. We're out here at the Point Marina. We're going to head out in the Lake Pontchartrain today, see what we can do. Today's conditions is clear skies. We got winds 6 to 7 miles an hour out of north. We have a high tide at 11:29 a.m. this morning, and we had a 2 fish bite between 4:30 and 6:30 this morning. Stay tuned, see how we do. Beautiful picture, guys. Look at the radiance from the sun coming up as the sun rises. Get up. Looked into something this morning here.
Watch your motor.
I don't have it on.
Get this bad boy. Guess I got a little water on this one.
Right. Oh. Yeah, about 24. Guys, we hit something here, a little bass, I think. A little speckaroonie. A little speckaroonie. Yep. That's on that matrix shag minnow. Matrix shag minnow. Little speckaroonie. Man. Well, you don't know he's hooked, one of the two. Ooh. God, did you see something come after him? There was something coming after him.
Ooh, bass.
Little bass. They're trailing him. All right, guys, that's the next one. A little bassy bass. All right, guys, finally hooked into something that feels worthy here. I don't know what we got, but like a flash of a trout, but I am not 100% sure. Yep, nice trout.
Nice trout. Snagged him a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. There we got it. Well. All right, yeah, it's in his mouth. Let's see. All right, guys, there's that first fish, keeper fish today. Other than the red we had earlier, first keeper trout on that matrix minnow piranha.
Not 2, but 3 hooks.
Something here, guys. We done hooked into something else.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Let's see if you got on.
No, he's on. Another troutsy. I see him. Going. Another trout. Go on. Come on this way. Come on. All right, guys. Starting to make a day out of it. All right, guys. All right, guys. That's that next one on the matrix shad minnow piranha. About a 15.5. Something, guys.
That might be a bass.
No, that's a trout. Nice trout. All right. Good trout, boss. Nice one. trout. Alright guys, the way we work in this is casting towards the shoreline. There's a bunch of grass along the edge of the shoreline, so if we get close to the shoreline, we kind of keep the rod tip up and work that thing right across the top of the water. Then once it gets to past the grass line, sort of let it drop and start twitching it. And slow twitches, just a couple of twitches and pause, couple of twitches and pause. That's it. That water temperature is not low enough yet to kind of let it sit there too long, so just twitch and pause. Sometimes it's a 1 twitch, 2 twitch, kind of alternating it. All right, Boston hooked into another one, guys. Good trout. I see it. Ooh, yeah, nice trout, boss. Yeah. All right, good trout. He's catching them on the scope stick, purple nurple. The purple phantom, I think they call it. Another one, guys. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, good job. Nice one. Some boss was hooked in too. Hey, you lost a hook, boss.
Now she believed I was fishing.
Now she believe you're fishing?
No, she trusts me. I got one of trusting faces.
I gotcha. What's your name?
Darryl and Eric.
Oh, okay, Darryl. Good to meet you.
My pleasure. You know, when you put this on TV, it can't last too long.
Oh, I know that. I know that.
I know you're a good soul. You want people to have luck too.
That's it. I want everybody to catch. This trip probably just depends. If I go fishing tomorrow, you know, it takes about 7 or 8 hours for me to do all of that. So.
Postpone today.
I'll be looking for you.
All right, buddy. Thank you. Hooked into, looks like a trout. Yeah, there we go. And I don't think he's gonna make the team, but he's a troutsy. All right, guys, check him out. He's about 12 and a quarter, 12 and a half. All right, guys, we done hooked up on something here, guys. Looks like another troutsy woutsy, but it doesn't look like a big one again. Like a small trout. So we got. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Let's unhook something. Oh,
Banana fish.
banana fish.
Popping.
All right, guys, we're back at Safe Harbor here at the Point Marina, Slidell. We had a decent morning. It was very slow early, nothing much in the early in the morning. About mid-morning, starting to pick up. We're catching them on jerk baits. Bait of choice today for me was the Matrix minnow, the piranha collar. We wind up with 9 trout, 1 bass, and that was the day. Next Team JoJo meeting's coming up on November 15th at Fatty Seafood from 11 to 1. Come join us. Look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, tight lines.